let's tell you what's happened in the last 24 hours as alliance strategies are now firming up. You're seeing a whole lot of breakfast diplomacy, sharp political attacks as well for what promises to be a high-stakes showdown in the upcoming assembly elections in Tamil Nadu.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to sound the poll bugle in Tamil Nadu on Friday. And ahead of the mega rally, the larger NDA in Tamil Nadu is now taking shape. BJP's Tamil Nadu in charge, Piyush Goyal, held a breakfast meeting with AIADMK General Secretary E. Palaniswamy on Thursday. After the meeting, Goyal once again made the BJP's position crystal clear. Modi at the centre, EPS in Tamil Nadu.
I am confident that under the leadership and guidance of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji at the centre and Thiru Palaniswamy ji in Tamil Nadu, the NDA alliance will completely throw out the DMK government.
EPS in turn struck a confident note saying that the NDA alliance will emerge victorious in 2026, promising rapid growth with the BJP ruling at the centre and AIADMK in the state.
அதிலே பாரத பிரதமர் மோடி அவர்கள் தலைமையிலே ஆட்சி தமிழகத்திலே அதிமுக ஆட்சி நிலவும் அப்பொழுது தமிழகம் மிகப்பெரிய ஏற்றத்தை பெறும் மிகப்பெரிய வளர்ச்சி பெறும் இதுநாள் வரை இல்லாத ஒரு வளர்ச்சியை இந்த தேர்தல் மூலமாக வெற்றி பெற்று மக்களுக்கு வழங்கும் என்பதை இந்த நேரத்திலே தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன்.
Goyal lashed out at Deputy Chief Minister Udyanidhi Stalin over his Sanatan Dharm remarks, calling them hate speech and also demanding that Chief Minister Stalin sack his son from the cabinet.
We totally oppose Mr. Udyanidhi Stalin for his anti-national comments. The High Court also yesterday has passed strictures against the hate speech of Udyanidhi Stalin.
Meanwhile, the NDA footprint in Tamil Nadu is expanding, especially after TTV Dinakaran's entry. And as EPS and TTV bury the hatchet, the spotlight now shifts to one man, O. Paneerselvam. Sources say OPS is weighing his options, with some supporters already drifting toward the DMK. OPS, however, remains tight-lipped, hinting at good news later this month. On the other hand, politics over G. Ramji Act is far from over, and ahead of Prime Minister's rally, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin is all set to pass an assembly resolution against it. As alliances harden and old rivals realign, Tamil Nadu's political chessboard is being reset. With Prime Minister Modi's rally set to ignite the campaign, the countdown to 2026 assembly polls has truly begun. With Pramod Madhav in Chennai, Bureau Report, India Today.